Right here. In the lotus feet of Shri Gurudev, I want to offer my pranams. In Houston, whenever I come to Houston, I feel like in Gurudev's home. Because I experienced it firsthand. Gurudev's mercy in Houston. Whenever Gurudev would come to Houston, he would show so much love. In any other place, he would speak Hindi and give English Harikatha, but here in Houston, he would do Hindi. So whenever I'm in Houston, I give Hindi Harikatha, like Gurudev's tradition. Because there's many Indian devotees. Have you read Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's scriptures? Parshad, Gaur Parshad. Gaur Parshad. In that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has written very beautiful world. Gaur Parshad Charitamrita. I think sometimes that I want to write a book as well, similar to Gaur Chaitanya Parshad. The service you've done for Srila Gurudev. I've lived with Gurudev for many years. Vishnu Prabhu, his family, and everybody has served Srila Gurudev without any reward. Sushil Prabhu, Didi, everybody here has done so much seva and are still connected by Srila Gurudev's mercy. So he's right now talking about the special book that Srila Gurudev has, all the Houston devotees. They have surrendered their soul. I see it. To have this kind of devotion towards Srila Gurudev. Just like Sachin just said, Mahaprabhu's thoughts never thought who's big or who's small. Mahaprabhu treated everybody as equal. Anybody who does bhajan, whether they're brahmachari or they're in married life with family or they're sannyasi, they're all equals. Srila Gurudev, that's Srila Gurudev's mercy also. Whenever you come here, you feel even closer, nearer and dear to Srila Gurudev. Physically he's not here, but in his presence is felt. When he sees all the devotees who have served Srila Gurudev, his heart melts. So when Maharaj is saying that his own heart melts, seeing all the devotees who have served Srila Gurudev, that's the reason why he comes to Houston. This is the reason why he comes to Houston, because the determination, the love. The love and complete surrender mood that everybody has here is what draws him to Houston. If you can just have any love for a sannyasi, that is the utmost goal. What's bhajan? Just do a couple of times, just say the name. That's not enough. What's the most important thing? Guru Nishtha. Having full mood of surrender towards your Guru is what's required. Gurudev quoted it multiple times. Bhajan. That doesn't need translation. You can do bhajan, but that's step one. But having Guru Nishtha, that's the ultimate goal. All of our scriptures are only decoded by Gurudev and Sadhu. Sadhu is the key to unlock everything for you. Vishnu Prabhu said this in such a good way. Jaiv Dharam. He was better than a sannyasi. He quoted so well. Jaiv Dharma and Bhaktivinoda Thakur. I'm not just going ahead and saying it. I keep searching for people who are surrendered towards their Gurudev. That's what draws me to people. If somebody shows up to the temple, they have any kind of ambition or wants to be close, I look for people who are surrendered to their Gurudev. That's what draws me close to them. Whoever is surrendered to my Gurudev, Srila Narayan Maharaj, those are the ones that I get drawn like a magnet to. He's talking about you. When you do kirtan, that you have surrendered your life in Guru Kripa and doing seva for Guru and doing bhajan for him. That you're a surrendered soul. All the devotees of Krishna. Who's the most superior? Gopis. Gopi mein, in amongst the gopis, Srimati Radhika Rani. This is the eternal truth. What bhajans will we sing for Srila Krishna? What bhajan for Srimati Radhika Rani? When you can surrender your soul to Guru, and Guru is the one who is going to take us to our desired destination. In scriptures, it's written, Bhagavad Prasada, Guru Sri Sharanarvindam, at the lotus feet of Srila Guru, is where ultimate benediction lies. Such beautiful mood is being displayed. We don't have to do anything. In this life, we should have surrender and devotion towards a Guru, a Sadhu. What should devotion look like? Unflinching faith. Unflinching faith. Die. Complete surrender. Unflinching faith. I keep traveling the world. I haven't left any part of the world. I keep searching, looking. I keep searching for souls that are surrendered. That's my pursuit.
वही निष्ठा मुझे अनुराग को पूछा नहीं कानून के घर में बता कहाँ गए गुरु
I spoke about it yesterday at Anurag's house. And she got such beautiful deities of Shri Ram, Sita, and Lakshman. That's an example of devotion. That devotion is what takes us to Golokha. What does Guru do? Guru holds my hand and takes me there. There is no other way. That's why I keep looking. Who has that unflinching faith towards their Guru? Who बढ़ते हैं. Whoever has surrendered to Guru, their bhajan will grow. Their sadhana will grow. Just like here, I keep looking in every direction and I see how much everybody loves their Srila Guru, their Gurudev. I take learnings from every place I've traveled at. In Delhi, I've traveled around the world, in India, in Delhi. Guru Nishtha is the most important. In Bhagavad Gita, it's written. In this shlok, it is written, even demigods can understand the shlok.
एक तो होता है पतित कहा जाता है उससे भी पतित अत्यंत दुराचारी पर एक दुराचारी हो जाता है
even the worst of the worst.
क्या कहते हैं
Duracha.
और सुदुराचार उससे भी
Sudrachar is even the worst of the worst.
अत्यंत घृण्य
Somebody that you feel disgust looking at. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says, even if you don't consider them sadhu, because he's Vishnu himself, he says that you I try to bring a little bit of humor in my Harikatha. Please forgive me. Please forgive me if I hurt your feelings. I used to go with Gurudev to Vishnu Prabhu's house in Delhi, and the love, very deep, strong ties and love. Gurudev always used to joke around with him when he would stay at their house. The entire family had so much love. So that's the same kind of love I feel as well. And it brings me fond memories of Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj.
मथुरा में से तो मेरे थाली में बैठे छोटा थाली चलते चलते आगे और आगे के मेरे थाली में
Madhav used to come and eat out of my plate in Mathura. And he would go eat out of his plate when he was a young boy. Madhav. Because I've observed them from such a young age. And they're growing up into fine boys who are continuing in the lineage of their parents. Who receives the benediction? In the shlok, it's read, because they are surrendered to a true sadhu, they will ascend, just like a small baby is. If an infant pees on his mom, the mom doesn't throw him away. She changes his diaper. Just like that. So Supreme Lord says, just like who surrenders to me will be loved and treated the same way. Such a beautiful thought. In bhakti, if we just think like that mother, and think our Gurudev is going to take us where we need to be and surrender, that's a beautiful thought. That's what we need to aspire to do. To attain Lord. Prem. Just have that same love. There's not much to do. It's not very complicated. With Brajvasis, with God, how do we develop love? Not much to do here except this. Just do bhajan. Look, I don't have much time, otherwise I would say more. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur did two things in this world. Radharani herself told herself to Kamal Manjari, go to earth and preach pure bhakti. Kamal Manjari told Radharani, what will I do alone on such a mortal plane? Give me your most dearmost Sakhi. Radharani asked, who should I take? And Manjari, take her. From the exterior, it's Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Bhaktivinoda Thakur in reality was Kamal Manjari. My name is Kamal Manjari. 12 and a half years is my age. My clothes. He's written everything. his bhav.
कितने सुंदर कमल मंजरी।
He's Kamal Manjari.
जिसकी कथा हम श्रवण करेंगे वो ही उसके बारे में अच्छी तरह समझना चाहिए।
Whose ever pastimes and stories were glorifying. We have to understand it really well.
जैसे हम गुरुदेव के बारे में सुन रहे हैं।
Just like I was talking about Gurudev. Who is our Gurudev? Gurudev is Radharani's Raman Manjari.
ये रिश्ता समझ दिल हो जाए तो गुरुदेव जो बोलते हैं उसके सत्य।
Whatever Gurudev said is the truth.
देखो सन कमल मंजरी किसको प्रकट करा है?
Nayan Manjari.
भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद।
Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Prabhupada is Nayan Manjari.
सन भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर।
Bhaktivinoda Thakur is talking about it.
जगन्नाथ जी के रथ उत्सव आ रहे हैं। यही जगन्नाथ जी के रथ उत्सव के समय
During Jagannath Rathotsav.
देखो सन जो है
Look,
जगन्नाथ जी के
Jagannath ji,
विमला देवी जो है
Vimla Devi,
प्रार्थना की
he prayed to her,
ऐसे भी पुत्र प्राप्ति हो
want to birth a son
प्रचार कर जैसा
who can go ahead and spread pastimes. And through his mercy,
और नाम ही रखा क्या
and the son was born,
विमला
and the son's name was Vimla Prasad.
विमला देवी की कृपा से ही
With her blessings, Vimla Prasad was born from Jagannath's mercy. Just like Vimla Didi here.
आप नहीं हो घूमता है ना आप विमला प्रसाद नहीं हो
I mean, you may not be Vimla Prasad, but you have the qualities.
ये मानवी तो आपको पड़ेगा नहीं मानेंगे माता देखे कृपा से सभी बात होती नहीं होता है और माता की गुण आपके पास है सब देगा
You have all of your mother's qualities. He's talking about Sachidananda Prabhu.
चल विमला प्रसाद तो हम कहते हैं
So I say,
दया करो विचार विचार कर ले चित्ते पाई ले चमत्कार भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर
Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
कृपा क्या है एक है
that blessing is
हमारे भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद विमला प्रसाद को मैंने
Bhaktivinoda Saraswati Prabhupada. He was responsible to bring him into this world. And second, and he presented Gaurdham to us. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, in his autobiography, wrote, in my entire life, I've spent time in courts, legal proceeding, because he was also a district magistrate. And he was very learned. My entire life is gone in just working as a magistrate. My entire life I wanted to go to Vrindavan and do my bhajan alone. On my way there, I came across a Shiva temple, and at night I stayed. And at night, when he started sleeping, in his sleep, he saw Mahadev. He said, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, the purpose for which you are going, finish it. You are a Sakhi of Srimati Radhika Rani. Why have you forgotten it? Vrindavan, you don't have to go to Vrindavan to do bhajan. You have to do Gaur. You have to present Gaurdham and Gaurnam to the world. Then he didn't go to Vrindavan. He turned around and he lived in Gordrum Deep. Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
परिक्रमा नवद्वीप धाम परिक्रमा करते करते जहाँ पर
On the path to
दर्शन करके भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की समाधि में पर जाते
during Navadvip Parikrama near Vaikund,
विनोद ठाकुर
Bhaktivinoda Thakur used to do
और देवाधिदेव ही चिंतन करने लगे
in Godramadip,
महादेव देवाधिदेव महादेव मुझे
and he would think, because Mahadev reminded me of my service to this world. At that time,
मुसलमान लोग जो है
Muslims
महापुरुष के जो जन्म भिटा जो है उसपे कब्जा कर लिया
had captured the area
और
where
कब्जा करके उसको क्या बनाया
where Mother
नहीं उसमें वो सेमेटरी बनाया
they made a cemetery where
क्या बोलते हैं
Mahaprabhu was born.
इसलिए पता ही नहीं
They had assumed
ये आज
control.
हम जो जाते हैं नवद्वीप धाम जाते हैं
So when we go to Mayapur today and Navadvip Dham, people never knew
ये वास्तव रूप
this
में
happened.
महाप्रभु के चैतन्य महाप्रभु की आविर्भाव भूमि
that
कहाँ
his
पर है?
actual location nobody knew because they had built a cemetery there.
ठाकुर उसी स्थान पर बैठ करके
And Bhaktivinoda Thakur
और वही चिंतन करने लगे
would go
महादेव जी ने
pray
मुझे स्मरण दिलाया ये मुझे
at that same spot.
महाप्रभु
And
के
Mahaprabhu
जन्म भिटा के जगत में
came to me,
ऐसे नाम करते 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 करते
and I would keep on going ahead and praying and thinking of
Hare
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
अकस्मात भक्तवृंद ठाकुर ने देखा
At 2 a.m., Bhaktivinoda Thakur saw
वो नदी है ना वो जलंगी नदी जिसको कहा जाता है
the lake, the
वहाँ
river.
पर महाप्रभु का भी जन्म भिटा देख रहे हैं वहाँ पर लिखा गो चैतन्य महाप्रभु गदाधर पंडित नित्यानंद
He saw
आचार्य श्रीवास
Nitai Gaur
आदि समस्त भक्त लोग
and Samas Bhakta Vrinda, Panchatattva,
मृदंग करताल आदि लेकर के नाम
and they're doing Hanam Sankirtan.
हरिहराय नमः
Hariharaya Namayataya Nama Yadavaya Madhavaya Keshavaya Nama Gopala Govinda Ram Shri Madhusudana Shri Raja Gopinatha Madana Mohan Hariharaya Namayataya Yadavaya Nama Yadavaya Madhavaya Keshavaya Nama.
इसके बाद सब अंदर
After this,
भक्तिवृंद ठाकुर विचार करने लगे
they disappear. After
महाप्रभु के आविर्भाव
he started,
प्रातः काल में
he had an
भक्तिवृंद
epiphany
ठाकुर
that this is his birthplace,
उसको उस नदी को पार करके दूसरे स्थान
and he crossed Godamadweep,
वही जो कब्र
the
का
river.
समान भी स्थान है।
Where the cemetery was when he arrived.
तो स्थान में सर्वत्र जो है
He saw
नहीं सर्वत्र जो है वो कुछ खेती आदि करके करके रखे कुछ कुछ जगह जो है कुछ कब्र खड़ा है और
that entire place.
ठाकुर देखा एक स्थान में जो केवल तुलसी के जो है
In one place, there's just a garden of Tulsi. In that cemetery.
ठाकुर
At that time, Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
वृद्ध मुसलमान को पूछा
he asked an older
आप लोग
Muslim
हैं,
Muslim man,
आप लोग तुलसी के पौधे क्यों लगाते हैं
he's like, you're a Muslim, why do you have a Tulsi plant here
हम लोग जो कुछ भी
in this
करते हैं,
part
मुसलमान लोग
of your
उसको
cemetery?
कहते हैं,
Muslims do exactly the opposite of everything we do.
या आप
So he was wondering, Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
ये तुलसी पौधा क्यों लगाते हैं?
there's a Tulsi plant in the cemetery.
मुसलमान कहने लगे,
So this
देखो,
old
हम लोग यहाँ पर
old
तुलसी
Muslim
पौधा
man
नहीं
said,
लगाते।
we don't do it.
छोड़ देते हैं ग्रीन से छोड़ देते हैं शस्त्र में छोड़ देते हैं वो बीच में छोड़ देने से वो क्या हो जाता है सब ज्यादा
Anything we drop in this place to grow something different, only Tulsi grows in this spot.
और जगह तो खाली पड़ा रहता है।
Nothing else grows in this place. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur started wondering,
जो दर्शन किया था ये इसी स्थान पर
the dream I had,
महाप्रभु नित्यानंद प्रभु अद्वैत आचार्य श्रीवास
all the
गदाधर
Panchatattva,
नाम सुनिए
when they were doing Nam
स्थान क्या
Sankirtan,
है
birthplace.
महाप्रभु जो है
This is the birthplace of Mahaprabhu.
किंतु भाई
he came to the
हिंदी
realization.
में क्या बोलते हैं, जिसके लट्ठी उसकी भैंस। आज में
In Hindi, there's a phrase: whoever's stick, it's their a cow. Whoever can tame the cow, it's their cow.
कहाँ से लिए? इतना समझ नहीं है? किंतु भक्तिवंत ने चिन्हित किया
Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, this place is Mahaprabhu's birthplace. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, look, from London, he asked for maps from London.
और उनकी सारी जो लिंक था सब कुछ, इसलिए लंदन से सब कुछ मंगाया। वो प्राचीन मैप आदि जो
Old maps from the area.
ये स्थान जो है
And he discovered this is the place where Mahaprabhu was born.
और उसी करके उन्होंने ये स्थान
And he declared, this is Mahaprabhu's birthplace.
किंतु इस स्थान को अभी
But this
महाप्रभु
place,
के पुरुषों के द्वारा उसको प्रकट करना ही है। इसलिए भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर ने कहा कि देखो वृंदावन में आए और वृंदावन में
he came to Vrindavan.
सूर्य कुंड पर जो है
And Surj Kund pe,
बाबाजी महाराज
he met Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj there.
उस जगन्नाथ बाबाजी महाराज
And Jagannath Babaji Maharaj,
निमंत्रण दिया उसमें जगन्नाथ
he called him as well.
सेवक जो है बिहारी लाल क्या नाम
His Parikar Bihari Lal.
करीब 140
It's about 100.
जो चाली बात है जिसको आंख में ऐसे दिखा जो जिसको जो है आगे रेडी जो
He couldn't see out of his eyes. He was so old.
सेवक जो है
And his Parikar,
बैठा करके अपने सिर पर लेकर कहां वृंदावन से सूर्य कुंड अब लोग है नहीं सूर्य कुंड
Sujakund.
सूर्य कुंड से
He took him from Vrindavan to Sujakund, Sujakund to Navdeep Dham.
बाबाजी महाराज चल नहीं पाते थे
The same Jagannath Maharaj who couldn't walk.
कबीर से
From the basket, he jumped.
यही मेरा गुरु सुंदर की यही
And this is the place of Guru Gaur Sundar's
मंत्र में क्या है
place. Gaura.
आविर्भाव हुई
That's why it says on his, it says Gaur Sundar Avirbhav.
भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
Bhaktivinoda Thakur
उस स्थान को प्रकट कर देता है किंतु उस स्थान को
showed that place to the world.
जिसके लट्ठी
Whoever can tame the cow, it's their cow.
देखो भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर ने कहा कि इसी स्थान को लेने के लिए मुसलमान के कब्जा से लाने के लिए इस काम को किसने संवेद किया श्री भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद
Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada
भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती
went through a lot of legal processes to declare this spot.
तुम इस
Bhaktivinoda Thakur discovered it.
है और विमला प्रसाद ने कहा कि इसी कार्य को जो है संपन्न करने के लिए
To finish this act,
ब्रह्मचर्य को उन्होंने
Vinod Brahmachari,
विनोद ब्रह्मचर्य जानते हैं कौन है
do you know who he is? Vinod Brahmachari. Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj is Param Gurudev.
गुरुदेव इसको कथा को कहते हुए रोते थे
When he would narrate this story, he would cry.
विनोद बिहारी ब्रह्मचारी कैसे जुंदार में गर्दी करते किस प्रकार उस स्थान को कैसे प्रकट करें
He would cry,
देखो विनोद बिहारी ब्रह्मचारी
sharing the story.
मायापुर की सारी संपत्ति को देखभाल करते थे
He used to look over entire Mayapur. Virodha was his name.
विनोद बिहारी ब्रह्मचारी
He used to live a good, austere life.
देखो विनोद बिहारी ब्रह्मचारी कुछ सट्टा गुट्टा ब्रह्मचारी को लेकर के रात में जाकर के उस
At night.
से जो भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर ने चिन्हित किया जिस स्थान पर महाप्रभु की आविर्भाव के जन्म स्थान उस स्थान में स्थान को
Bhaktivinoda Thakur had marked
वो खोद
the
करके
place.
जितना भी
that this is where Mahaprabhu was born.
मुसलमान लोग कपल देते ना उस सारे नरक कंकाल को क्या हाथी फाटी सब उठाया
And he extracted everything from that cemetery
और
and
देखो
threw it in the
करके
Ganga.
सुंदर करके रातों रात में
Overnight, he turned that place into a pilgrimage.
बड़े-बड़े जब पेड़ को उन्होंने लगा दिए, तार के पेड़ लगा दिए, कटहल के पेड़ लगा दिए,
Jackfruit trees, big trees in that place.
मुसलमान लोग
And in the morning,
हिंदुस्तान पर आकर के देखा,
when Muslim people showed up,
हिंदू लोग कब्जा कर लिए,
he said, Hindus have taken over.
और हिंदू भक्ति तो हमारे परम गुरुदेव बृंद बिहारी ब्रह्मचारी,
But Param Gurudev,
सब कुछ है व्यवस्था कर रहे हैं।
he was already prepared.
पुलिस आई,
The police showed up.
बोले ये जगह किसका है?
They said, whose place is this?
बृंद बिहारी ब्रह्मचारी बोले देखो जगह हमारी है, अरे कोई पेड़ देखो कितना बड़ा,
This place is ours. Look, there's a mango tree.
ये तार के पेड़ देखो 50 साल की है, तार के पेड़ हैं।
There's palm trees.
ये देखो,
Look at these mature trees. Jackfruit trees.
हम लोग की है,
These are ours,
बड़े अच्छा है।
not Muslim
मुसलमान
people.
तुम्हारे है, तुम लोग तुम्हारे कागज दिखाओ।
He asked the Muslim people, show us the papers that you own. They don't have any papers.
इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? पेन इज माइटर देन द
Sword. So
कागज दिखाओ। मुसलमान के पास कुछ कागज नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। बिना बिहारी ब्रह्मचारी देखो देखो।
So he proved
ये
everything.
साल की ये डीड है, ये है, सारी कुछ दिखाया।
he showed the deed and everything else from London that Bhaktivinoda Thakur had procured. So all the Muslims ran away because they had no proof. They had just occupied the place. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur wasn't there, Srila Prabhupada wasn't there, and Param Gurudev wasn't there. Then when we do parikrama and go to Mayapur, we wouldn't have the complete experience without them. That is why Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he has presented this place to us. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishna Kaviraj Goswami said, Hari Hari Bol.
कृष्ण नाम जप करने के लिए आपको थोड़ा नियम करना पड़ेगा।
To do jap, you have to be disciplined. You have to think about doing Nama Brad when your Gurudev gives you the name. So he tells you a little bit about Nama Brad, the 10 offenses. Yeah.
किंतु देखो हरिनाम करने के लिए हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र जप करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा?
To do a Harinam, you have to think of the 10 offenses associated with doing Harinam. So you do it right. He's taking the name of Sachidananda Gaura Hari.
इसलिए गौर धाम, गौर नाम,
Gaur Dham and Gaur Nam is the most important work of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He's saying in this stroke, those who have been to Navdeep Dham, they have obtained Vrindavan. Those who haven't surrendered to a true Guru, they will never receive the true mercy of the gopis and Srimati Radhakarani. We have to immerse ourselves in Gaur Nam and Gaur Dham. We speak the Guru and Gaur Mantra, and then Gaur Gayatri.
कृष्ण मंत्र और गोपाल मंत्र का प्रति काम करते हैं।
Then we do japa of Krishna mantra and Gopal
हमारे
mantra.
यही उद्देश्य है भाई। सचिनंदन के
Our mission is towards Sachinanda Gaur Hari. Our faith becomes stronger and unflinching towards Dham. There is so much power in Gaur Naam and Gaur Dham that it removes all our sins. Towards Sachinanda Gaur Hari. Jai! The deities here are Sachinandan Gaur Hari. The proof is in our scriptures. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he has presented Gaur Dham and Gaur Naam.
इसलिए कहते हैं हम एकमात्र सचिनंदन गौर के कृपा से हम सर्वोत्तम प्रेम को हम प्राप्त कर सकते हैं।
Through him we can get the nectar of love. It's pretty late. I'm not going to talk for too long. If Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj hadn't shown up, then who would bring love for Srimati Radhika Rani in the form that he did? He had the highest praise mood. Do you understand? Srila Gurudev, all acharyas in that lineage, I go ahead and offer my obeisances. So Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Let's clap for Srila Gurudev. Everyone. All the mutts. Gaudiya Mutt. Everybody goes to Srila Gurudev's Mutt from Gaudiya Mutt. Why? Because he had such a sweet mood towards everybody, love for everybody. And he blossomed and nurtured love in everybody. He has described scriptures in such a way that it has brought more love to us. Listen to all the books, but pay particular attention to Srila Narayan Maharaj's books and translations. You can feel the love. In Navadvip Dham, at his 500-year celebration, a lot of Pandits and Gurus came from all over to glorify him. But when hearing Srila Narayan Maharaj, everyone was stunned by Srila Narayan Maharaj's Harikatha. Yeah. At Rup Sanatan Gaudiya Mutt during Julan. He would call all the acharyas from Vrindavan,
सभी
Mathura.
बड़े पंडितों की जो है गुरुदेव जो है सम्मान करते थे
All pandits, and he would go ahead and offer them respects, utmost respects.
वासुदेव चतुर्वेदी नाम सुनी ना
Pandit like Vasudev Chakravarti.
एक पेज पूरा बन जाएगा और वो संस्कृत में
And he would only speak in Sanskrit.
है तो बड़े बड़े विद्वान मनोहरलाल शास्त्री
Lal Shastri.
all गुरुदेव सबको बुलाते थे
Gurudev used to call all of them.
और सबके द्वारा बुलवाते
He would ask everyone to speak.
महिमा कीर्तन करो और अंत में गुरुदेव
And Gurudev would speak at the very end.
आंखें साफ हो गए
He would speak with so much love that he would start crying.
कितना सुंदर गुरुदेव और गुरुदेव का वही अनाथ चली चिराग इस श्लोक के ऊपर जब बोलते थे सब पंडित लोग ऐसे हक्का चक्का होते थे
When he would say that shloka, Charan Chirag, everyone would go ahead and become
और
stunned.
कहाँ श्लोक के गुरुदेव कोट करके बता देते
And Gurudev would quote different shlokas.
से श्लोक कोट करके गुरुदेव बोलते थे
Radha Sudha Nidhi, he would quote, and everyone would be stunned.
सभी तो बोलते थे किंतु गुरुदेव की जो अंतिम जो भाषण होता था
His last,
और उसी को सुनने के लिए सब बड़े बड़े आचार्य लोग ऐसे
all acharyas would keep waiting for Gurudev to speak. All these glorified acharyas.
उसी का ना यदि गुरुदेव ने नारायण नहीं तो तभी की हुई तो समन्वित हुई
If Srila Gurudev wasn't there,
गोविंद जैसे उन्नत जैसे उसने
like Geet Govinda,
प्रकट है कि नहीं इंग्लिश में भी अवेलेबल है
he made available Geet Govind in English.
हमें पता है कि ये गुरुदेव ये सब ग्रंथ भी प्रकट किया
When he authored all of these beautiful, beautiful scriptures, books, translated.
इस बंदे को भी पढ़ने की कोई है गुरुदेव बोले नहीं मैं तो पृथ्वी ध्वंस हो जाएगा है सत्य है आप सोचो आप नहीं
People asked, why are you doing this? Is there anybody to read them? He said, yes.
बहुत निर्भीक होकर के बताते हैं ये सब ग्रंथ गुरुदेव की विधान
Otherwise, all of this would have just disappeared had he not put in all the work and effort to translate and bring meaning forth to the world. That's why Gurudev went ahead and created so many beautiful scriptures. That's why we say, without him,
But the last limit, divine love Srimati Radhika. अरे ये सर्वोत्तम प्रेम की महिमा क्या है?
what is the utmost love?
महाभाव कार्य.
How to glorify the Mahabhav.
महाभाव, रूढ़ उधूढ़ मोहन मोदन है. मदनाथ को महाभाव. ये मदनाथ को महाभाव है कैसे? शब्द तो हम सुन रहे हैं.
What is Mahabhav?
किंतु गुरुदेव देखो इसके अपने ग्रंथों में इतने सुंदर रूप में वर्णन किया गया ना
In such a beautiful way, he's presented.
गुरुदेव ने इतने सुंदर रूप में प्रकाश किया ना
All of the scriptures in such a beautiful way. What is Manjari? That's not the truth. What is a Manjari? What's called a Manjari? How to serve the Manjaris. Gurudev has written about it in his Granth. And he presented it so the world could understand. It's not an easy thing. It's greater than a PhD to understand the mood of sadhus. And that's why you are no different, because you are here. I have faith, my utmost faith, that you are all Gurudev's loved ones, that I offer my obeisances to you, because you're extraordinary, you are also extraordinary. Radhe Ki Jai.